Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Zahid Hussain, Professor of Mathematics in Divisional Model College. You are requested to subscribe my channel and contact me at WhatsApp number given or mail me to the given address for suggestions. Dear students, we are studying chapter number 1 of New Syllabus Mathematics D4. Chapter is linear inequalities in two variables, and we are studying graphical representation of inequalities. Today is our lesson number 6. In lesson number 5 we studied when inequalities are given and how to draw the graph of those given inequalities. Today in lesson number 6 we will study the second case, when graph with equations of lines are given and you are asked to write inequalities. Now, if you are given the graph with lines and equations, we can find linear inequalities to variables from the graph. And for that, we will notice the following points. Notice the shape of the line, whether the line is solid or dotted. Defined region. If line is vertical, then defined region will be either on right hand side of the line or it is on the left hand side of the line. Or if line is non-vertical, then region will be above the line or below the line. After noting these 2 points, shape of the line, whether solid or dot, and defined region, we can replace sign of equality in the equation by sign of inequality. By using the above information, we can easily write a linear inequality. If region above the line is defined for non-vertical line, then we will replace sign of equality by either greater than or less than or equal to sign. If region below the line is defined, then we will replace sign of equality by either less than or equal to 0. Less than sign for dotted line and less than or equal to or greater than or equal to sign for solid lines. In case of non-vertical line, in case of vertical line, region on the right side of the line is defined region, then we will replace equality sign by greater than or equal to sign. And if the region on the left side of the line, vertical line, is defined, then replace sign of equality by less than or equal to. Greater than and less than sign for dotted line, greater than or equal to and less than or equal to sign for solid lines. So after noting these things, we can write the inequalities. Look at this example. In this example, a graph is given to you and the question is also stated. You are asked to write down the 3 inequalities that satisfy the unshaded region R in the diagram. This is the unshaded region, which is labeled with R. Equations of the lines are also given. You simply need to replace sign of equality with sign of inequality. If we look at this line, shape of the line is solid. It means we will replace this sign of equality with greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, depending upon the defined region. Because defined region is on the right hand side of this inequality, this line, right hand side of this line. So it means this equality sign will be replaced by greater than or equal to sign, and its inequality is this. And for this line, which is dotted, region is defined which is above the line. For dotted line, we will use less than greater than sign only, because dotted line and region is above the line. Its equation is this. So this sign of equation equality will be replaced by sign of inequality, which is greater than. So y is greater than 2. And for this third line, this is a solid line and region below the line is defined region. Below the line. So when region below the line is defined, we use less than sign or less than or equal to sign. Because the line is solid, so we will use less than or equal to sign. So this equation will become an inequality after replacing equality with less than or equal to sign like this. This was the example. Using this example, we will solve some parts from your exercise. This is exercise 1A, question number 2. Write down the inequalities that satisfy the unshaded region in the diagram. Part B and part C are given here. The inequalities. This is the equation. The line of this equation is this, which is solid line. And region below this line is defined region. When region below the line is defined and line is solid, we use less than or equal to sign. We will replace this sign of equality with less than or equal to sign. This. And for this line, again, line is solid and region on the left hand side, because this is a vertical line. So vertical line, solid, and region to the left hand side is defined, so we will use less than or equal to sign again. So for this equation, 2x is equal to x, its line is this, which is dotted line, and region above the line is defined region. So we will replace this sign of equality with greater than sign, and for this line, which is solid, and region above the line is defined region. So we will replace this sign of equality with greater than or equal to sign, and its inequality will be equal to this. So for this equation, inequality is this. For this equation, inequality is this. For this equation, inequality is this. And for this equation, inequality is this. Similarly, we can solve this part C. The equation of this line, this is the equation of this line, this is the equation of this line, and this is the equation of this line. So let's find the defined region. For this line, defined region is below, and this line is solid. So less than or equal to will be replaced by this sign of inequality. This is a dotted line, and region to the left is defined. So this sign of equality will be replaced by less than sign. For this equation, the line is dotted, line is solid, and region above the line is defined region. So this sign of equality will be replaced by greater than or equal to sign, and its inequality will become this. And for this line, this is the line, region above the line is defined, above the line. So this is not this is not vertical line. So region above the line is defined region, and it is a solid line, so this sign of equality will be changed with greater than or equal to sign like this. So the inequality of this equation, this equation, this equation, and this equations are these. So this is what we need to do. When graph is given, equation of the line is given, you simply need to replace sign of equality with any one of the four sign of inequalities. This is case number 2. Hope after these examples this concept is clear. So this is your homework. Solve question number 1A, exercise 1A, question number 2, it's A and D part, and review exercise question number 2, A, B and C part. Practice makes knowledge perfect. Now dua for you all. May the fasting people break fast at your place, and may the pious eat from your food, and may the angels pray for you. Allah Hafiz.